You are all welcome to tonight's session. So this is one of our free session that we normally host for everyone to benefit for. So and let me just start. This is our last setup that I post in the group. I hope you people can relate, right? So this is how we'll be playing so far. Majority of you know how we play around the market, how we take advantages of the market, no matter the direction. So we normally take advantages of the market. This is how we play around the market. So we normally make profits in any direction. But the reality is that you can't start this setup with low capital. So that's where you must have alternative way in which you can get money. If you have like $20, $50, $100, $150, the realistic that you can't sustain yourself with that type of money in a financial market. So you need a capital. That is just the realistic. If you want to stop blowing your account, you need a capital to meet up. So and the reality that if you have something like $12, you can use it to invest in Meta Pro, right? This is what really helped me and my team to meet up with that standards. So this is what I've earned so far on the system. So and the system is just a form of it's a smart contract that you can leverage on to earn passive income. It's not a trading platform, it's a BNB smart contracts. So this is what really helped me to meet up. And this is where I generate passive income for me to fund my account. This is where I generate the passive income from. So majority of people ask me because I talked about this last week. So majority of people ask me that how this system work, they can't refer something. This system is not a referral program. You can make money. You can say this my loan partner, this person that I refer direct on this my account. You can see right, this my name. And this the people, this total people that this system are position under me. So the moment you join the system will start position people under you automatically. So this one of my account that I registered. So this one of my accounts, as you can see, this account I did not register people, as in I did not refer any person on this account, and the account have make over $1,000 above. That is just the reality. So if you can't refer, the system will be receiving spillover and overflow for the team for the community effort. So what I mean is that if you have like $10, as in $20, $50, $100, or you can't sustain yourself. The reality that if you want to flip account, the possibility that you are going to succeed in that circle is very low. So just stop blowing your account, start doing this now. Even though you can't refer, you can leverage on this and start making money. And you can start this business with $12. You have $12, you can go around to it. You also have $7, but it's better to start with $12, right? I hope you understand me. The reason I'm introducing this thing for you that I don't want to be training people will that cannot meet up with the standard. We want to carry everybody along. So everybody in this community want to carry everybody along so that we're able to meet up. And we must tell you the realistic that you can't meet up with the financial standard. There's no perfect setup. There's no perfect. Stop looking for any perfect setup in online, any perfect strategy. All what you just need is the direction. Once you know the direction of the market, leave the rest for the market to do what you know how to do. So as you people have already know as sha. So since we know the direction of the market, know that the market have changed direction from here. So we just begin to say this is our third trade, right? So I think this is our third trade. Currently we are in the province in this trade. You can see and of it. Majority in the mentorship cars and those who have the financial who have like 500, 1,000 on their accounts, they are able to meet up with this account, this setup, because you can't use $50, $100 to play around this. Stop blowing your account with all those $10, $20. You can't go a long run. Social media people may influence you that you can use $10 to make maybe $50 in a day. It's not realistic, my brother. That plan is not realistic. If you want to find a real trader and a genuine trader, it's very difficult for you to find a real trader and a genuine trader that will tell you the real fact on social media. If you want to know the secret about this trading, if you want to know the real fact about this financial market, maybe trading currency, or you know that before you can make 10%, 20% in a month, you should have a lot of experience. So since majority of us have interest on Meta Pro, I would like to just share a briefly how the system work before we continue tonight. So tonight's session, I want to discuss more about our entry. So I just want to review the secret about our entry for us. You get it right? So I want to share all about our entry. So before we continue this session tonight, let me just tell you about how the system work. You get it? Let me just tell you about the system. So this is how the system work. Immediately you join the business like this with slot one. So we have a lot of slots that you can leverage on based on your capacity. So immediately you join the business, the system will start position people under you. So if you join the business maybe by today, tomorrow if anybody register maybe after you join, the system will position that person under you automatically. This will give you the privilege to be earning from that under that person for life. It's very different for all those normal networking aspects. So in the system that will position people under you automatically through the system. But if you open just ordinary slot one alone, if you open just ordinary slot one, e may delay as in there are a lot of people in that slot one before the system can position people under you. But if you have the financial stability, if you can open like 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, you'll be easily receive spill over from every angle. Next thing for this my account, I open 1 to 5 slots. So if you have interest, just let me know. I will tell you the price. Just DM me. So this business is very easy approach. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's very realistic. The money is dropping direct to your wallet. You can have access to your account anytime. And the system is that this program is very verified by BNB. So this is our roadmap. A lot of things is coming to this system. A lot of things. So a lot of things. So this is how the system work. If you do not want to refer, you can still make money on this system. All you need to do is just to activate your account. So on this mattress, you are going to make money because the moment you register, after anybody register again, the system will automatically position that people under you. So we also have the mattress level. This mattress level is only benefit for those who can refer people. So this privilege, they will divide the money into two. The 60% is going to the mattress, and which the 40% is going to the level mattress. And we have a lot of slots that you can start with. So this is how the system work. Immediately you register a deal, the 50 people that fall under you direct by spillover, or you are the one that activate them, or from the community effort. So immediately people fall under you like this, you will earn 50% on them among the 60% that's going to this mattress. So the remaining 50% is going to your upline. So the same thing apply to here. These people will earn 50%. The remaining 50% is going to here. So they will deduct 3 left from here to NFT. So yeah, I think the presentation about this is already available on YouTube. You can check our YouTube out. I will also upload this night tutorial to YouTube. If you come across this content on this channel on YouTube also, try to subscribe so that you'll be receiving content that relate to this, right? I also like this so that we're able to build a community that will succeed together. So this is the registration package. So before you can activate number 2, number 3, you must activate number 1 first, activate number 2 to bet on your capital. So it's better for you to activate with $12. We have what you call Pro Power and Global Power. So this is the Pro Power slot. So it's better you activate these 2 slots at once. When you activate level 1 here, also make sure you activate the second level 1 here. So $5 plus $5 making $10, and you need $2 for BNB gas fees. So that make total of $12 for you to activate slot 1. But if you cannot activate these 2 at once, it's something that you can also activate this one for now. So if you activate this one and you start making money per recycle, you are going to earn $30 and your level can recycle. This is what I mean by recycle. So if people start falling under you, and when you get to this 19 and 20, the system will use the money to recycle the system for you, which means the system will use the money to buy this loss for you again. This will give you the privilege to earn again on the system. The moment the system use the money to buy the system for you again, that's what we call recycle, and your slot can recycle with 1,000 profit per recycle. What I mean is that, so just per one recycle, you will earn $30 so far, even though you do not decide to refer anyone. So the system will decide to position people under you automatically. That's it. So let me just continue our presentation tonight. Let me just continue. So I think let me delete, no, this is our current setup. Let me not delete this one. So let me just continue. Since we have already talked about the direction, so I think if you are new to this class, maybe you are new, this is your first time or attend this our session. So make sure you check our YouTube out. So I will also upload this one to YouTube. So we have already discussed about the direction, because what really matter most in forex is for you to know the direction and know how to play around it. So you don't have the control over the financial markets. You only have control over your setup. And this is what you can control. Since you only have control over your setup, just need to work on the setup, because there's no perfect signal, there's no perfect setup, there's no perfect entry. All what you need is know how to take advantages of any direction the market go. So that is just it. Now once you have already know this, you just have the rest of mind, because this thing normally help your psychology. This is what really help all of my team. The minute we enter the market here, we set another sell limit here. So if the market make a pullback or any retracement, we have the rest of mind that market is going back to trigger our new trade. That will give us the privilege to make more profits. The moment if the market make aggressive pullback, we normally have rest of mind. So there's no pressure for us. Maybe market is going back to hit our SL. No. We don't set any SL. This is how we play around the market. So let me just show you our entry, because that is also important. Our entry is also 50% direction. Our entry is very realistic. So since let me just show you the bullish entry before I show you the entry. So you are going to go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes for our entry. So this is how our entry work. If the market is, maybe we want to take a bullish structure, maybe the market is bullish in a lower time frame. Now let me just use this bearish so that we're able to understand and show us live. Let me use this bearish. So this how to confirm our entry in a lower time frame. So the moment we have already know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, so you let us assume you are in the bearish market, and you know that in a bearish market, in a higher time frame, market will do retracement, in which we may pull back. So and in the lower time frame, we will form something like this. The pullback will form something like this in the lower time frame. So for those of us who is already familiar with the financial market, so I should have known this one, right? For our entry and confirmation, this is how we take it, right? This is how our entry form. So the market must form something like this, changing of character, form something like it may form something like this too, maybe something like this. You must take another liquidity out like this. After you take another liquidity out in the same direction, what we does is that you must wait for you to break another structure like this. So any retracement that you form like this, if you make any pullback like this, so we are going to set our order here like this. We do not do market execution. All what we set is we set order. It's either sell limit or buy limit. So we are going to set our sell limit here again. And what are the confirmation? What are the things we consider before our entry? This entry is very strong. Before market can take you out on this entry, is as you can see, before market even try to hit our stop loss here, but we do not say maybe because our entry is very strong, we still take advantage of the market. But this entry low is very strong. Let me just consider a lot of things that we consider. So we consider market have changed direction here on the lower time frame. Yes. So I will wait for market to take the liquidity out. So we know that it's liquidity that move the market. After we wait for market to take liquidity out like this, or what we just do that we wait for market to break another structure like this. So the moment we wake and the market break structure and make a pullback, the moment market make any valid pullback like this, all what we do is that we set our sell limit like this. We set our sell stop like this. So this is how we set our order. You know this lower time frame, right? This lower time frame confirmation of the continuation of the bearish, right? So before we go for the live chart, I would like us to draw it again so that we're able to understand. Let me just delete all this. Let me delete this. Let me delete all this, because in this just try to rewatch and rewatch to do a lot of recap. So that's why we upload this to YouTube, so that you'll be able to do a lot of recap and able to catch up. So this is how it works. So if the market is moving like this, you know what I mean is that we have already concluded in lower time frame that the market is bearish, right? I mean, market is downtrend, and we want to follow the trend. We want to continue with the trend, and in a lower time frame, market will form a pullback, right? Market will form something like this. This is what market will form in a pullback. For the pullback, right? I mean the pullback from the higher time frame. In a lower time frame, we will form something like this. So you form something like this. So what we are going to wait for our confirmation, wait for change of this. So market may just form something like this. If market also take liquidity out like this, but they did not close with full candle, so it's also a liquidity out, and market just form something like this. So after market falls something like this is what we consider. Let me just show you all what we consider. So we consider that market have changed direction like this. So after market change direction, we wait for market to take this liquidity out in the same direction. So market take another liquidity out like this, and we just wait for market to take the BOS. You know this become a valid BOS like this. This is valid BOS. You know, right? And I hope by now you should have known the valid BOS. This is valid BOS. So the moment market form a valid BOS like this, we just set our sell limit like this. We do not do market execution, and the reason we set our sell limit is that we wait for us to calculate all these parameters. We do not market is not go anywhere. Market cannot go and leave us. Maybe we are just maybe before market go. No. Our entry is very logic. Market cannot leave us. There's no way market will leave us. Immediately market make any pullback, any retracement like this that is valid, we just set our sell limit here. That's all what we do. We set our sell limit here, and if market try to be going in the same direction, market will trigger us and carry us along. So that's how we play around it. That's how we play around it. And it's no compulsory that market will come here and take this. Market may form something like this. Market may form something like this. Let me just delete this one. Market may form something like this. So that you're able to the reason I'm repeating all this one is that so that you're able to understand what I mean. So if the market falls something like this too, this will become a valid BOS. This is not valid anymore. The reason why this is not valid that before you break this structure, the market did not take any liquidity out. So if you can see this one was able to take this liquidity out before it break like this. So the moment this one take liquidity out, this become our valid BOS. And the moment this one become our valid BOS, we are looking for our entry here. Our entry is going to be here like this. The moment market make any retracement or any pullback that is valid after our BOS, our valid BOS, we are going to look for entry like this. Don't rush to the market. Market do not need your rushing. So this is how we do it. This is how we play around it. Alright, this is how we play around it. So this is how we play around it. Our ratio is 1:3. It's 1:3. And we do what? We set another sell limit like this based on the condition and the setup. So if you need a soft file for this, just message me. You have access to it once you have the capital to play around it, because I can't release it for people that do not have the financial standard. Because don't try to use $10, $20 for this. You will just blow your account. Instead for you to just waste your money, waste your capital on $10 and $50 on Forex, I'll use it to invest on Meta Pro. That would really help you. That will really help you a lot. So, and if you are coming to Forex, come with investment mentality. Don't come with side hustle or all this greedy or flipping. Don't be deceived, my brother. The reason I'm telling you all these secrets is because you are in my community, and we are planning to build a community that everybody will be able to sustain. So that is just it. Alright, let me just show you our entry here. So I think people in the mentorship class have already know how this entry work. So let me just let's go through it in a few minutes. So we'll take this entry is 5 minutes. Sometimes we take the entry for 4 hours. So but sometimes if you want to look for any stop entry like this, we look for 5 minutes, 15 minutes. That's just it. Here you can see this is our setup here. This is our setup. So let me just explain to you how we're able to take this setup. This is how we are able to take this setup. So the moment we see market have changed a little direction here, so what we wait for is that the moment we see market change direction, this is our number one confirmation. The second thing is that we wait for market to fall a structure and take liquidity out. Auto take this liquidity out. As you can see, this values this value close, it close here below it, so it's valid, and e went to take the liquidity out. You can see e also take this liquidity out minor. So as you can see, and what we wait for the market to break the structure and make a valid pullback and set our sell limit. This is what we just do. This is what we do. Market is going like this. So what we do is that we wait for the market to take this out. So market form something like this. We also wait for the market to take liquidity out. After we wait for the market to take liquidity, we now wait for market to break a normal structure like this. You can see our confirmation is very unique. If you can see, market was able to take liquidity out here, and market we wait for the market to take another liquidity out here. E also break structure. So this entry give us the is either market continue to go like this, or market trigger our market and market start dropping. This our setup is 60% winning rate, sixty to 40% winning rate. That's just the fact. This if you can work only on this entry, is very perfect. If you were to go and do the back testing, you will see that the entry, wherever this entry show up like this, is very unique, and they normally play around. They normally play in that movement. That's just it. And the whole idea is that let me just mark it for you so that we're able to understand better. Markets, we are looking for downtrend, right? So market take liquidity out, it make a significant breaking of structure here. This minor breaking of though this breaking of structure is not valid based on our higher time frame, but in this lower time frame, we are going to count it as changing of direction. So after we make that one, so we wait for market to take liquidity out. You can see market take this liquidity out. You can see this, right? Yeah, you can. Yeah, just give me a thumbs up so that we're able to know if you understand. Okay. Yes, I can see. Yeah. You take this liquidity out here, and we wait for market to break the normal structure. So the moment market continue in the normal structure, if the market want to manipulate or take liquid, market will just continue going higher. So we now need to wait again for market to break normal structure. This now become our valid BOS. So what we wait that we wait for market to make a retracement or pullback. We now set our sell limit here. This is what we just do. So the market was forming higher low. So market change direction like this. So we wait for market to take liquidity out. This is the liquidity that market take out. After the market take liquidity out, we wait for market to break structure like this. You can see. So after that, after the valid pullback, the valid retracement, what we do is that we set our sell limit here. After we set our sell limit, what we still do? We set another sell limit again. And the whole idea about we setting this sell limit randomly is that e normally help my team can testify to this. E normally help our psychology because when market is doing any retracement, e normally trigger more of our trade. And the second aspect is that before we can look for another direction, as you all know, we dey know sell stop loss. This is how we play around the market. So before we can look for another direction, we set our buy limit here. So this is how we set our buy limit here. Get that right? So and this thing we do not just put it randomly. There's a way we make the calculation. There's a way we calculate. It's not that we just that's where you must have capital before you can sustain on this. So that's just the reality. So actually I will give you for a question before we continue. So let me just stop recording. I will post it to YouTube also so that you can recap and rewatch it again. You get that right? So and for those of us who may come across this content on YouTube, so you can also reach out to us if you want to join our team. We normally train people for free. So we will tell you the reality about Forex. We want to build a community of successive traders together. So we don't require anything for you. It's just for you to jump off us for free. We'll tell you the reality about Forex together. Right?